Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre, TSI R-Line, 115 PS. Now the car is a real standout, and it comes with a top spec, including front and rear parking sensors, an automatic post-collision brake, hill hold control, a hydraulic brake assist, a driver alert system, an R-Line styling pack, and the 16-inch Sebring alloy wheels. The boot's a good size, and it comes with a spare wheel. The interior has Volkswagen Connect, heated front seats, and 2 USB ports for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop in to Western Volkswagen Newbridge.